Hey folks, Derek here from Adventure Power Products here with my son Aiden at a very special event this afternoon at the Pony Corral Pier 7, event called Doing It All for the Kids for Children's Hospital, hosted by Suzanne Mariani. Great location here at Pier 7, right on the water. We were asked to bring out some marine product, kind of go with the whole river motif. Couldn't be more excited. We've got two great products here from Yamaha today. I'm gonna let Aiden take the wheel here and tell you what they're all about.
So we brought down a G3 sun catcher. This is a great deal, best deal of the summer for us here at Adventure. $115,000 pontoon. We're letting this thing go for $99,900 right now. Great machine, lots of value. We also brought more of our Jet Series Wake Series boat. This is a Yamaha 252 XE. So runabout, surfing, waking, doing 55 mile an hour, this will do it all. So just kind of a small glimpse into what we carry down at Adventure Power Products.
So remember folks, we brought it out here. We were here for a good event. I know they raised a lot of money and we were privileged to be with it, but it's very cool to know that, you know, right here at the water, Peter at Pony Corral Pier 7 has the docks in. You can come visit, come for a nice meal with the family. We've got the right product to put you on the water, whether it's here on the river in Winnipeg or River City or anywhere in your vacation or recreation area. We hope to see you or talk to you soon. Come down and visit us, adventurepowerproducts.com. We're at 797 Quest Boulevard in Ile-des-Chenes. Look forward to hearing from you. Take care.